for chapter 4. Let's look at question number 9. Mario Armando Perez is the kitchen manager at the Ashi Sushi House. Mario's restaurant offers 5 popular types of sushi rolls. Mario keeps careful records of the number of each roll type sold, from which he computes each item's popularity index. For March 1st, Mario estimates 150 guests will be served. Based on his experience and to ensure he does not run out of any item, Mario would like to have extra servings or a planned overage of selected menu items available for sale. Using planned overage, the popularity index of his menu items, and his prior day's carryover information help Mario determine the amount of new production needed and the total available for the day. At the end of the day, Mario also records his actual numbers sold in order to calculate his carryover amount for the next day. Using all the information given, let's help Mario complete his kitchen production schedule for March 1st. All right, so he knows he's going to serve 150 guests. So let's start by making his sales forecast. So if we remember right, we get we can calculate our production here by taking our sales forecast, or our number of guests that we're projecting, and we're going to multiply that times our popularity index. So we know we think we're going to sell 51 spicy tuna rolls. All right, and let's again make that an absolute cell for us. And we can go ahead and predict what we're going to sell. Okay, so we were predicting 15 spicy salmon special rolls, 45 spicy shrimp rolls, 30 California rolls, and 9 barbecue eel rolls. Okay, so then he has a planned overage. Okay, this is what he thinks his sales forecast is, what he thinks he's going to sell. Okay, but let's say 160 people walk in, or 170. Okay, he wants to be prepared for that, so he has a planned overage. So he wants to go about 5, and this is 5 over on each of these items. And if we see here, he's not going to plan an overage on the barbecue eel roll because it's not very popular. Okay, he can easily direct someone to something else. The chances someone coming in after they're all out, it could happen, but again, there's other menu items for him to direct them to. So in order for us to get our new production, we are going to take our sales forecast. We're going to add that to our planned overage, but we're going to subtract the priority carryover. Okay, and the priority carryover is what's left on the shelf. Okay, so that means that he comes in the morning, and after his shift last night, there's 6 spicy tuna roll. He's got 2 salmon special rolls, 5 spicy shrimp rolls, 2 California rolls. Okay, so we'll use that formula for everything here. All right, and so we see what our production is, and so he needs to produce 155 rolls. So that is, so we see here we have our sales forecast of 150, a planned overage of 20, minus 15 from the carryover is 155. Okay, so how many does he have available? He has his new production plus his priority carryover available. Okay, and we're going to use that priority carryover first, because first in, first out, correct? Then at the end of the shift, he's going to inventory what's left. Okay, so this is what he had available for his shift, and then this is the number that he has sold. And let's see how close he was to his forecast. And he was 149, so he was only about 1 off, so he's pretty close on there. So as far as his carryover goes, let's take his total available and subtract the number sold. And that gives us our carryover for the next day. And we see he had 21 rolls left over, which is very close to his planned overage. He's also not starting out the shift with 0. So that is how you would complete this one. This is going to be pretty important if you ever work in a kitchen and you deal with a production staff. It's very important to get these numbers right and get them accurate so that you're setting all your shifts up for success.